Hey everyone, losing weight isn't just about eating less and exercising more. Our bodies are incredibly complex, and things like hormones, metabolism, genes, gut health, and even how well we sleep all play important roles in how we lose weight. Today I want to talk about something exciting: Puravive Weight Loss Supplements. This might be just what you need to help your body burn fat, control hunger, and feel balanced. Have you ever eaten healthy and exercised a ton, but still found it hard to lose weight? You're not alone. Our bodies are complicated, and things like stress, hormones, and even getting older can make losing weight really tough. It can be frustrating. But what if there was a smart solution that helps your body work better instead of fighting against it? One big challenge people face is something called metabolic adaptation. This is when your body gets used to eating less and starts to use less energy, making it harder to burn fat. Hormones like insulin, cortisol, and leptin can also mess with our hunger signals, making our bodies store more fat. That's where Puravive comes in. Puravive is a carefully made supplement designed to activate brown adipose tissue, or BAT, also known as brown fat. This type of fat helps your body burn more calories and manage hunger naturally. What makes Puravive special is its focus on BAT activation, a relatively new approach in the weight loss world. It uses natural ingredients, ensuring safety and quality, and it's produced in FDA-registered and GMP-certified facilities in the USA. This means you can trust that you're getting a high-quality product. Puravive is designed for daily use over a period of 3-6 months for optimal results. It's not a magic pill, but it provides smart support for your body to help you lose weight more effectively. By addressing metabolic adaptation and hormonal imbalances, Puravive helps your body burn fat instead of storing it. The market response to Puravive has been mixed, but many users report positive results like increased energy levels, reduced appetite, and improved digestion. Of course, everyone's body is different, and it's important to combine Puravive with a healthy lifestyle for the best results. So if you're frustrated with traditional weight loss methods and looking for a more holistic approach, Puravive might be worth a try. Remember, losing weight takes more than just trying hard. It needs smart support for your body. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on health and wellness. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.